What is up, guys? My other recording got fucked up. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make any application, anything, even your speaker icons and your game icons and your application icons into an icon of itself. So here's what I have for this one. You guys can pick whatever you want for your actual icon. Make sure you have the right one. This is what I have for my actual headphones, because that's the ones that I actually have. For my speaker, I just put this nice colorful one. Didn't transparent though. And then I want to show you guys how to do this for apps and applications and video games too. So we can actually do the EA app right now. We're gonna right click on it, click properties. Before you do anything here though, there are different ones already presetted for you. If you want this one, there is different ones that are presetted already. So kind of cool. If you want a different one, you want to head over to these two applications, or what I like to call them, website apps that I downloaded as apps. You want to go and get this one, which is Icon Converter, and you want to get the remover, image background remover, which is the background image remover. Head over to Edge. Whatever thing you're doing this for, you want to type it in. So if I want cool EA logo, I can pick the logo. I can select this, and this is going to be sick now. If I want, let's say I want this one right here, right? You don't want it because it has a .com. Let's say I want this one. We're gonna click on it, download it, and it cannot be downloaded. So be careful which ones you do download. Let's try this one. Download. What? Oh, get the hell out of my site, bro. Let's try this one. Okay, there you go. Download it. Now, if you want to remove the, now here's the trick. Okay, hopefully I'm recording. Am I recording? I am. Perfect. Here's the trick though. Once you open your background remover and everything, you click on it, and I will add an effect because it's very dark. So I will add it's very light. So I will add. Now you can now delete this one, or which one is it? You can then delete this one because this one is already available. Now you want to head over to your converter. You want to choose the file you want to convert, which is this one. But for me, I think it is. I'm not sure. Did I put skip? I think I removed the background. I'm not sure entirely if I removed the background on that one or not. I'm pretty sure. Okay, I did. It just looked like I did, and I don't know why. Hold on. We can choose another file. Hold on. We should have done this. Hold on. What you can actually do, you can also remove in the file, which is way easier. And then download it. Now, the other thing you can also do now is you can delete the actual file and just use that one and use the new one instead. So what you want to do, you want to go to browse, select the file, and boom, select yes. And as you can see, it's a bit tiny, but you get the point. You really do get the point, right? Do this for any app like Brave, Discord, anything. Just be careful how you're doing it, and be safe out there, guys. Okay? What the fucking shit? What the? Can you open? Okay, there you go. Just be careful how you do it out there, guys. Be safe about it, and don't download any stupid files. But anyway, that was the video on how to change any application and headphones, microphone, and speaker icons. If you did enjoy the video, drop it a like. I would appreciate it. And also, guys, I have a Patreon I will leave down below in the description if you guys want to join the Patreon. And finally created it yesterday. I finally got verified. Not verified, but I finally got accepted. So join the Patreon. Yeah. Check out this video and my playlist. and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.